Hey makers and DIY enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 12 woodworking accessories and attachments that will take your projects to the next level. Whether you're shaping, clamping, guiding, or gluing, these tools are designed to make your workshop more efficient and your results more precise. Let's jump right in. Number 1. The Dremel 231 Shaper and Router Table is a clever attachment that turns a standard rotary tool into a small, bench-mounted shaping station. It's designed for light-duty woodworking tasks, making it useful when you need to sand, trim, or groove pieces, with more control than you'd get holding the tool by hand. The table itself is compact, about 8 by 6 inches, so it fits easily on most workbenches and stores away, without taking up much space. A 3-way adjustable fence helps guide your material, giving you cleaner edges and more consistent results. Depth adjustments are simple thanks to a screw mechanism, and the knobs are shaped for easy grip, even including screwdriver slots for quick assembly. Compatible with several Dremel models, this setup is ideal for hobbyists or anyone working on detailed projects where precision matters more than power. It's a practical way to expand what your rotary tool can do. Number 2. The Going Make Thin Rip Jig is designed to make one of the trickiest woodworking tasks, cutting consistent, narrow strips, much safer and more reliable. Instead of trying to measure and push thin pieces against a saw blade by hand, this jig locks into the T-track slot of your table saw, bandsaw, or router table. Once set, it guides the workpiece forward with a one-way roller bearing, which means the wood moves smoothly toward the blade but won't kick back. That adds a layer of safety while also keeping each strip uniform in thickness. The jig extends up to 8 inches from the miter slot, giving flexibility for different cut sizes. And the engraved scales in both inches and millimeters make adjustments straightforward. Built from durable metal, it can handle repeated use and cut strips as thin as 1/32 of an inch. For anyone doing repetitive ripping, it's a practical solution for precision and consistency. Number 3. The Work IQ Bench Vise is built to handle a wide range of tasks in the workshop, from woodworking and drilling to pipe cutting and even bike repair. Its construction combines hardened steel for strength with cast aluminum for portability, striking a balance between durability and ease of use. What sets this vise apart is its articulating ball joint, which allows full 360-degree movement. That means you can position your workpiece at virtually any angle and lock it securely with the quick cam system. For heavier jobs, the vise can withstand up to 130 foot-pounds of torque, thanks to its 8-position locking ball and socket design. The jaws are double-sided. One side has textured rubber for gripping flat materials, while the other features grooves for holding pipes or irregular shapes. With compatibility for add-on accessories like lights or magnifiers, it's a versatile tool that adapts to different projects with ease. Number 4. The MagSwitch Drill Press Fence is a straightforward but highly effective accessory for anyone who spends time drilling precise holes in wood or other materials. At 13 inches long and 2.5 inches high, the fence provides a stable guide surface that helps keep your workpiece aligned during repetitive drilling. What makes it unique is the use of adjustable magnets, which can be positioned at different points along the fence. This allows you to secure it exactly where you need it on the drill press table without the hassle of clamps or bolts. A stop block is included, and it can be set flush with the table or against sacrificial material, giving you flexibility depending on the project. When not in use, the fence can be stored out of the way, keeping your workspace clear. It's a practical tool for improving accuracy and efficiency in everyday drilling tasks. Number 5. The MagSwitch Woodworking Starter Kit is built around a clever magnetic system that makes setting up jigs and safety tools faster and more flexible. At the heart of the kit is a universal mounting base, which can hold different attachments like a featherboard or push block. Because it uses strong magnets with true on and off control, you can lock the setup firmly onto a steel or cast iron table, then release it instantly when you're done. The featherboard itself is reversible, so it works for both left and right hand feeds, as well as in-feed and out-feed applications. This helps keep material pressed against the fence, reducing the risk of kickback and improving cut quality. The magnets stay clean, unlike traditional ones that collect metal shavings, and the kit disassembles easily for maintenance. Compact enough for bandsaws, router tables, and small fences, It's a versatile system for safer, more precise woodworking. Number 6. The angle grinder stand is designed to turn a handheld grinder into a more stable cutting tool, making it easier to achieve clean, controlled cuts. Built with aluminum and iron, it provides a sturdy base while remaining practical for workshop or factory use. The stand features a sliding rail system that expands the cutting range, allowing smoother motion and accommodating different materials. For angled cuts, the clamp adjusts up to 45 degrees and can hold pieces up to about 80 millimeters wide, giving flexibility for more complex projects. Safety is improved with an extended handle positioned away from the cutting area, which not only keeps hands clear, but also provides better leverage and control. A reliable spring mechanism ensures consistent tension, while fine-tuning knobs allow precise adjustments to fit various grinder sizes. Altogether, it's a useful accessory for anyone wanting safer, more accurate cuts with their grinder. Number 7. The PowerTech 128-piece T-Track knob kit is a versatile collection of hardware designed for building and customizing woodworking jigs and fixtures. Inside the set, you'll find a range of T-bolts in different lengths, all precision machined from zinc-plated hardened steel with 5/16 18 threads. These bolts pair with a variety of knobs, T-shaped, star-shaped, and round, constructed from durable plastic with threaded inserts, giving you options for different clamping needs. The kit also includes threaded inserts and T-nuts, making it easy to secure components to your workbench or jig setup. What makes this set especially practical is the organization. Everything comes in a plastic sorting case with movable dividers, so you can keep parts accessible and neatly arranged. For anyone who likes to design custom fixtures or adjust setups quickly, this kit provides the essential pieces to make T-Track systems more flexible, efficient, and tailored to your projects. Number 8. The square tenon converter is a practical attachment that allows a standard bench drill to take on more specialized joinery tasks. By installing this accessory, you can convert your drill press into a tool capable of cutting square mortises, which are essential for strong woodworking joints. Made from sturdy iron, it's built to resist wear and deformation, even with repeated use. Beyond mortising, the converter can handle a variety of operations, such as hole punching, reducing, and even certain types of internal grinding. Its compact size makes it portable, so you can bring it along to different workspaces when needed. With wide applications across construction, woodworking, and DIY projects, it's a versatile tool that saves money by eliminating the need for a dedicated mortising machine. For anyone working on furniture or decorative joinery, this attachment adds precision and functionality to an existing drill press setup. Number 9. The universal router base plate with edge guide is designed to give handheld routers more stability and versatility. Made from thick, clear acrylic, the base plate provides a wider surface area, which helps steady the tool and improves control when cutting grooves, dados, or decorative inlays. Because it's transparent, you can see your workpiece clearly while routing, reducing mistakes and improving accuracy. The included edge guide is reversible, with both straight and curved profiles, so you can follow edges, templates, or curves with equal precision. Pre-drilled holes make it compatible with many common router models, and it can be customized for others using the provided screws. This flexibility means you don't need a dedicated base for each router. By extending support and offering precise guidance, the plate makes edge routing smoother and more consistent, whether you're working on furniture details or practical joinery. It's a simple upgrade that enhances control and precision. Number 10. The professional saw plate rip guide system is designed to bring precision and versatility to woodworking tasks that demand clean, accurate cuts. It handles plates between 12 and 40 millimeters thick, giving consistent results without the guesswork. This system isn't limited to straight cuts. It's also capable of slotting, chamfering, and milling, making it useful for furniture building, cabinetry, or detailed renovation projects. The kit comes with a comprehensive set of accessories, including a milling plate, rails, transparent cover, drill bits, and adjustment tools, so you have everything needed to get started right away. The transparent cover improves visibility while cutting, and the lightweight design makes setup quick and straightforward. Compatible with routers and other power tools, the guide system provides stability and reduces vibration, which helps achieve smoother finishes. For both hobbyists and professionals, It's a practical way to expand cutting capabilities with accuracy and control. Number 11. The wood glue applicator is designed to make adhesive work cleaner, more efficient, and less tiring. Instead of squeezing glue directly from a bottle and dealing with uneven coverage, this handheld roller spreads glue evenly across surfaces, edges, or joints. That uniform distribution helps ensure stronger bonds while reducing waste and mess. It's built to handle different glue consistencies, so whether you're working with thin adhesives or thicker wood glues, the applicator maintains a smooth, continuous flow. The roller mechanism also reduces hand fatigue, especially during larger projects where repeated application is needed. Structurally, it's made to resist deformation, keeping performance consistent over time. With its quick mounting capability, you can switch between tools or setups without losing momentum, which is especially useful in busy workshops or production environments. For woodworking or DIY projects, it's a practical way to improve precision and efficiency in glue application. Number 12. The adjustable toggle clamp is a simple but effective tool for holding materials securely during woodworking, welding, or other workshop tasks. Built with a push-pull mechanism, it offers a holding capacity of around 40 kilograms, which is strong enough for most small to medium projects. The quick-release feature makes it easy to lock and unlock, so you can reposition or remove your workpiece without slowing down. Its design is versatile, fitting into different jigs and fixtures, which means it can adapt to a variety of setups in the shop. The handle is shaped for comfortable use, and the smooth action reduces strain during repetitive clamping. Made from durable materials, it's built to withstand daily use while maintaining reliable performance. Whether you're securing wood for cutting, holding metal for welding, or stabilizing parts for assembly, this clamp provides consistent pressure and stability, making tasks safer and more efficient.